What's up guys? In this video, I'll be making Bretman Rock's favorite food, Chicken Wings Adobo, following the recipe video he did with his mom.
Me and my mom, we're gonna make some delicious adobo and I hope you guys enjoy.
Chicken adobo.
Oh yeah, chicken wing adobo. Yes.
For Bretman Rock food.
Yeah. Wow, she's looking so colorful and healthy. Vegans could never. Vegans could never. Mom.
Bretman's family has a food truck in Hawaii. They offer some Filipino dishes, one of them being called the Bretman Special, which includes his favorite Chicken Wings Adobo. If you're not in Hawaii to try it, just follow this recipe along with me.
Alright you guys, so here are the ingredients on how to make a chicken adobo.
We'll need Mama Sita's adobo sauce mix. I'll link where you can buy it online in the product description below. Bretman doesn't specify the exact measurements of the ingredients used, so I'm just going by an estimation from what I see in the video. I have 15 full wings. Once I cut them, I'll have 30 drumsticks and flats. And 8 carrots, 1 garlic bulb, 2 red bell peppers, extra virgin olive oil, and soy sauce. And of course, Mama Sita's adobo sauce mix. Okay, let's get started to the prepping. Now I'll cut the full-size wings. I'll cut them so we have a drumstick and a flat, and we'll discard the tip. Between the drumstick and flat part, you'll feel a bump or ridge here. The easiest way in cutting is when you cut along that ridge, like so. And again, you look for the bump or ridge between the flat and the tip and cut along that ridge. You can discard the tip or you can keep it if you like to use as chicken stock, but we'll keep the flat and the drumstick. And now just cut the same way for the rest of the wings. And here I'm done cutting the 15 full-size wings, which now I have 15 drumsticks and 15 flats, for a total of 30 pieces in the pot.
It's the chicken wings.
And of course you need like a bowl that fits whatever amount of chicken wings you're gonna make. Yes, we're gonna boil the chicken wings first before we cook it.
I'm setting the timer to boil the wings in water for 15 minutes.
We are boiling this. It's just the chicken wings and water, and the stove is set on high, so we're just gonna leave that on until it boils and we'll be back. So while that's boiling, I'm gonna peel these carrots.
So first I'm gonna cut the tops of the carrots, then peel the skin. Then cut the carrot in half and cut smaller pieces from there.
Wow! They're this big. I don't know why they're this big, but they're that big.
Instead of cutting them in small sticks, I find cutting carrots like this is so much easier, and I just did it that way instead. This right here is 5 carrots. This is already a lot, so I'm just going to use 5 carrots instead of the 8. Now we'll cut the 2 red bell peppers, discarding the middle part with the seeds. And then cutting them down into small stems. And I'll place the bell peppers and carrots into a bowl. Now the chicken is done boiling for 15 minutes.
Now we're gonna drain the water, just the water. Okay, so what she said was we're gonna take out all the water, have the lukewarm again, that means wash it again. So we're washing the chicken just to take out like the galis na, which is the... What is the galis, mom? Like, I think the slipperiness of it and like the slime from the chicken, I don't know what it is.
After rinsing the chicken, what do we do, Bretman?
And then we're gonna cook it with the garlic. Yeah.
Got it. I'm using 1 full garlic bulb, which has about 8 garlic cloves I'll use. Remove the skin. You can press the garlic clove down with a knife and the skin should come off easily. And then just dice the garlic cloves. And place in a small bowl.
So she did like a splash of oil, extra virgin olive oil. So once you got the oil in a little bit of a, like that noise, we're gonna add the garlic.
Okay, placing the diced garlic into the pot.
And make sure you be using a wooden spoon.
Yup, I'm using a wooden spoon, Bretman.
Make sure your garlic is this color right here, like a golden brown. So now we are ready to put the chicken. Okay, now we're gonna add the chicken. Yes! Yes, bitch! Yes, 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 yes. Mom, just put it on.
Alright, I put all the chicken in the pot. This is 30 pieces of chicken wings in here.
It's gonna be there for 20 minutes on high, and we're gonna stir it every 2 minutes.
Add some water to the base of the pot, which will help steam the chicken and not burn the skin.
Anyways, the adobo is almost done. We are just gonna add the adobo mix and the vegetables now.
Again, adding some water. The liquid will become the adobo sauce, so you want to make sure you've got enough sauce for the wings.
How much are you gonna put? Are you gonna put all of it?
No, kasi lang.
Okay, like how much was that?
1 spoon.
1 spoon, she said. That was not 1 spoon.
1 spoon won't be enough seasoning for all this chicken, so I'm going to put in the whole packet and mix in the chicken well. Then we'll add in the carrots and the red bell peppers.
Alright. Now we're gonna put this on medium heat.
And stir the chicken and veggies together. Now add the soy sauce. I added about 2 tablespoons, but I think 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup may be better, depending how strong you prefer the taste. And mix that all well together.
Wow, that is so pretty. Mom, it's looking so delicious! Mom, it's looking so delicious, girl. Yes.
It's looking so delicious that the chicken is falling off the bone.
Ooh, bitch. Yes, the color.
Now this needs to be served over rice. Scoop some of that adobo sauce and pour it over the chicken and rice. Now time for the review. Keep in mind, Bretman and his mom didn't give specific measurements for the ingredients, so everything I added was just an estimation. Alright, so we're done making Bretman Rock's adobo chicken wings. First time making adobo. So let's give this a try. Meat is very, very tender. It just falls off the chicken. Okay. The sauce is very mild. It's not like a strong. It's very light. Yeah, I feel like the seasoning is not strong enough. flavor. I mean, you can taste a hint of the adobo, but it's very mild. It's not a strong adobo flavor taste. Almost mild, like it's plain, like not enough flavor in it. Okay, so for this recipe, I would give this a 6 out of a 10. I feel like there's not enough flavor. It needs to be stronger. The seasoning needs to be stronger, or the flavor of the adobo needs to be stronger. It's very mild, and it's almost plain tasting. So that's the only thing I would say. Other than that, I mean, I could eat it. Yeah, I could eat it, but I just need more flavor in it. That's it.
Okay, so I went back to the kitchen and added one more Mama Sita adobo sauce mix packet. This should give it more adobo flavor for the amount of chicken I have. And what can I say? It worked. Now it has a strong enough amount of adobo flavor, and it was good. After adding the second packet, I give this recipe a 9.5 out of a 10. It was very good. Thanks so much Bretman Rock and his mom Mercy for sharing this chicken wings adobo recipe. And if you're ever on the island of Oahu in Hawaii, check out their food truck as well. Their food truck has an Instagram page at Mama Mercy's Kitchen. So go ahead and check them out. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and aloha.
Wow, she's looking so colorful and healthy. Vegans could never. Vegans could never.